Greetings, Dan Daniels here. Learning how to play piano, and I'm learning rhythms. This is a String Note Academy, music with no pain. They don't allow clipping to extract just the parts that you want or need. In this case, they have incredibly long, irritating intros to the stuff that I really want, which is just this part here. So I'm going to activate the loop, and you can see the looping tool is part of Looper for YouTube, and I've activated it. It seems to work, and so the way to do it, you can add these numbers in manually, but I found that to be very unfriendly. So I'm going to just eyeball it here, and I don't need that part. What I want is this part. So I'm going to drop that at 31 seconds, 31. And now I'm not quite sure what's at the end here. Yeah, screw subscribe. I don't need all that. Don't need all that. Don't need all that. And we'll say it's at 25, 125. Scroll back to 125. I'm going to loop a portion, and I'll go ahead and loop it 10 times. I can change this. Actually, let's change it to 4. You really don't want to see all of that. So let's go ahead and loop it just for the first, maybe for the first bar. Let's see if that works. So all right, so it's only going to play the first, it's only going to play the first segment. All right, so now it works, and that's what I wanted to show you. If you have segments in a particular video that you want to just replay over and over, Looper for YouTube is by far the easiest one to use I've found so far. Keep an eye out for other, sometimes producers of videos allow you to clip. Let's see if this guy does. No. Let's see if anybody else. It's not very common for video people to allow you to loop or clip. There's no, I'm not finding a whole lot of, actually, I'm not finding anybody who's allowing users to clip. So the looper tool is effectively the only way I've found so far. And if I'm going to loop this guy just for giggles, we scroll down and let's just I'm just going to loop this part from this part. I have no idea what it is. Just as a demonstration, one more time, I'm going to loop it 3 times and loop a portion. All right, so there it is. That's how it works. And I hope that helps you. It certainly helped me. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.